Stacks is looking good right now. If you are going to check our crypto bubble, it is one of the trending coins for today. It is up for around 13.5% along with Brett, Pepe, and Whiff. Okay. Now, for those of you guys who are wondering what Stacks is, okay, let's check this one. So Stacks is a Bitcoin layer of smart contracts. Okay, it is still under Bitcoin. So all of its transactions are automatically settled for Bitcoin L1. This coin is quite promising. To be honest, I just saw this coin today and I think that it has a lot of potentials too. But I'm not encouraging you guys to spend a lot of money here for Stacks yet. Okay, why? Because if we are going to check its bigger time frame, Stacks is still in a huge downtrend pattern here. Okay, there you go. Although Stacks bounced from its previous support levels at around 1.61 or around 1.62, but in the bigger picture, Stacks is still down. Okay. At the same time, if we are going to turn on our moving averages, okay, there you go, guys. You would clearly see it here that it is under our key moving averages, okay? Under the 20, under the 50, 100, and even the 200 moving averages, okay? So as what you could see here, Stacks is still in a greater bear trend pattern here, okay? Although we are already seeing signs of progress here for Stacks, but let us just observe this one for a couple of days or for a couple of months if you're planning to invest it in long term, okay? But if you're planning to invest it in short term, okay, I have a good news for you guys because I want you to see this one, okay? Let me show you something very interesting, okay? I will hide the indicator first and then I will show you our RSI, okay? Now look at the price of Stacks, okay? It is just going down, right? But if you're going to compare it with the RSI is now slowly going up, okay? We are seeing a bullish divergence here for Stacks, okay? Or for STX. Now, for those of you guys who are not aware what a bullish divergence is, it means that if we are in a downtrend, okay, sooner or later, we will have another shift in momentum, okay? If it's downtrend, then sooner or later, we could have a bull trend, right? But I'm not saying, guys, that it will happen overnight. Okay, that's not the point. What I'm saying is maybe sooner or later we will see a recovery here for Stacks. And I'm looking forward with that. Okay, because Stacks is also under Bitcoin. And if Bitcoin would continue to go up in the next few days or in the next few months, then probably Stacks or STX would also do the same. Okay, and the good thing about it is it's also very cheap. So it's nice to invest money in this one, because I think that it has some potential, okay? But then again, be careful in trading with this one because we are still in a bigger downtrend pattern, okay? Now, if you're planning to trade STX or Stacks in a short term, this is what you should do, okay? For example, that you are planning to buy it at the current market price, then all you have to do, guys, is to set your take profit levels at around these areas. Okay, so around here. All right, so around the 1.96 or around 1.84 levels. Okay, again, for short-term traders, okay, this would be your target profit for STX. But if you are looking for a long-term here for Stacks, it would be better to invest in this coin if this will happen. Okay, let me try to zoom out for a bit, okay, and put a trend line here. Okay, there we go. So for long-term investors, if you're planning to put your money here in Stacks, it would be better if we will wait for it to finally break out of this downtrend pattern here and start consolidating at around these areas before it will pump here. Okay, so that would be the ideal process for investors, because if we are going to turn on our moving averages, okay, there you go, guys. It means that if this will happen, then sooner or later, our moving averages will also take its place, okay? It will be above these moving averages here. So I think we could have a better chance of seeing this coin to pump higher if it's above the moving averages here. All right? So yeah, that's it for our technical analysis here for Stacks or STX. Again, this is only good for short term as of now, but let's keep on observing this coin because I think this has a lot of potential too. All right, until next time, have a great day. Peace out.